It is very easy to create a color splash effect using Affinity. The first thing you want to do is duplicate your starting image. We will end up with one black and white layer and one colored layer. So let's go to the bottom one. We add an adjustment layer, black and white, and I will just use the default. So this will give the black and white effect at the bottom. Because I want it to be only on that layer, I will just click and drag it to place inside as a child layer. Okay, now let's work on the top layer, the colored one. I will be using my selection brush tool, and I have a size of around 20. I will zoom in and just brush on the flower. The brush will do the trick. Most of it anyways. Now I see that the center was not selected. I'll brush on it. Same thing for this one and those petals. I'll just brush on the areas. Brush on the center. Now I see there is some excess here that really shouldn't be selected. So I'll just go to subtract and brush in there. And maybe that little purple here might not need to be there. So now I have my flowers selected. I will add a mask layer, and automatically it will keep everything I selected as visible, and the rest will be blocked and masked. So I can deselect with Control D, and here I have my photo with a color splash. And by using here those adjustment layers, it allows me to change my mind. If, for example, I wanted to not have the center selected, or if I wanted to add maybe the stem, I could use my brush tool. I'll just reset it, and I will select white because white is a window, black will block. I can just brush on the area of the stem. And that's how I can change my mind. If, on the other hand, I want to remove the center of the flowers, I'll just turn to black so it will block. How easy is that? Now it's your turn. Have fun.